Welcome everybody to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I go show now how to add shine or dodge to your image with just a few steps. Okay, so to do that, the first thing we go do now to come down to this adjustment here, adjustment, and you select curve. If your own no dey like this, you fit use this. If you get your own adjustment here, you fit click on this adjustment and select curve. But if you know dey see am for here, you fit come under window and select adjustment. Once you select this adjustment, it will bring out this dialog wey contain all your adjustment panel. So wetin you go do na just to select curves, either from here or you come down here, you select curves. Okay, once you select curve, the next thing wey you go do na to increase the brightness. Just drag the curve go up. Okay, the picture go dey very bright but no wahala, we go make sure say we put everything in order. The next thing wey you go do na to either double click on this curve layer or right click on am. When you right click, go blending options. Once you select blending options, okay, it go bring up this dialog box. Click on color overlay. Okay, if you see the color now white, just click on the color overlay and change the color to black. Okay, black. Once you select black, come back up, click this blending options. Okay, once you click on blending options, make sure say these two they checked: blend clip layers as group and transparency shapes layer. Once they checked, what you go do now to hold down Alt, that's Alt on your keyboard, Alt, hold down and then separate this underlying layer. Just separate them to the last point. Once you separate them, then you go see say the image look like this. The next thing you go do now to use this other part of this other half, take the adjust the shine on the image until when you see say the thing get a bit of shine like this, everything look like this. Okay, now at the same, I'll just click on OK. Once you click on OK, what you will do now to turn off the visibility of this color overlay. Click on the eye. You see that shine on the picture. Very subtle, very soft, and the picture is looking sweet. Okay, until I see you next time, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.